Good morning, class. Today, let us discuss the characters in the play, Playboy of the Western World by J.M. Singh. So, here are the characters. Christy Mahan is the main character. He is young man, and he can be considered as the protagonist of this play. Actually, he is the protagonist as well as the antagonist. He's a young man who has supposedly killed his father. So this is a very interesting character, and because he has killed his father, people around him think that he's a brave man. So this is Christy Mahan, the protagonist of the play. Then we have Old Mahan, his father, who is a squatter. Squatter is the person who unlawfully takes possessions of other people's homes or land. Right. So this is the Old Mahan, Christie's father. Then we have Michael James Flaherty. He's a publican. Publican means he is the owner of a pub. So Michael James Flaherty is the owner of a pub. Pub is a public house in which the ale or beer is sold. People come there to drink beer or ale, the drinks. Then we have the character of Margaret Flaherty. She is also known as Pigeon Mike. She is a young girl. She is Michael James Flaherty's daughter, and she works as the barmaid in that pub owned by her father. So she takes care of the pub, and she serves drinks to the customers and all that. So her name is Margaret Flaherty, but she is better known as Pigeon Mike. Her character is also very interesting. Then we have a character like Sean Keogh. Sean Keogh is Pigeon's suitor. That is, he wants to marry her. In fact, their marriage is certain. It is arranged, and they are just waiting for the orders of the church. So he is a young man who is coward. He is not so brave. So he is Sean Keogh. And there is another female character, that is Widow Queen. She is a woman of 30 years old, and she is a widow, and she lives in the neighborhood of the Michael Flaherty and Margaret Flaherty. Then we have the characters of farmers who are Michael's friends, like Philly Cullen and Jimmy Farrell. Then we have some village girls. Their names are Sarah Tansey, Susan Brady, Honor Blake, and Nellie. So all these girls, when they come to know that Christy is the man who has killed his father, they just fall for this man, and they are after him, and they consider that he is a hero and all that. Then there is a character, the minor characters like a bellman and some peasants. So this is the setting is the Mayo County in Ireland. So these are the rustic people living in the islands of Ireland, and they are peasants, farmers. And here is for the most of the play, the setting is the pub, or this public house of owned by Michael James Flaherty and his daughter Margaret Flaherty. And the protagonist, Christy Mahon, after allegedly or supposedly attacking his father, killing his father, comes to this place. So these are the characters, and as while discussing the characters, you might have come to the conclusion that this is the theme is something related to patricide. Patricide is killing one's father, a parent. So this is a grave theme. This is a very serious theme, but it is treated in a very humorous way, which is known as the black humor. That's why this play is also known as a black comedy. It's a comedy, but it's a black comedy. There is this serious humor is there, black humor is there, and the play has become very much controversial since there started riots after the play was first performed in Abbey Theatre, Dublin in Ireland, and after that in America also during the first performance there were riots. So let us see what exactly is there so controversial regarding this play. I repeat all the characters again. Christy Mahon is the young man who supposedly has killed his father and is now running away from the authorities, the law, to protect himself. And why does he kill his father or attack his father? That we'll come to know during our reading or during our discussion of the plot of the play. So one major character is Christy Mahon. Then we have his father's character, Old Mahon. That is the father who has been attacked by his own son. He is a squatter. Squatter is a person who unlawfully possesses other people's lands or houses or homes. Then we have, so this is the father-son pair in the play. On the opposite side, we have a father-daughter pair in the among the characters of this play. There is this a publican, that is owner of this pub, owner of the shop where the wine is sold, where the beer or the ale, the drinks are sold. So his name is Michael James Flaherty, and his daughter is Margaret Flaherty, who is popularly known as, her nickname is Pigeon Mike. She is Michael's daughter, who also looks after the pub. So in that sense, she serves as the barmaid there. Related to Margaret Flaherty, there is this character of this young man, Sean Keogh, who is in reality is a coward, but the most important thing about this character is that he is in love with Pigeon Mike. He wants to marry her, and in fact they are waiting, actually he is waiting for the church orders, because among the Christian people, Catholic Christian, again all these characters, the setting, they are the Catholic Christians. You might know that Christianity has two major sects, right? They are the Protestants and the Catholics. Catholics are more orthodox people, and they follow the Church of Rome. So their center seat is the Church of Rome, the Pope of Rome. Their religious authority is the Pope of Rome. So because this Roman Church is the seat of authority, is the center for all the Catholic Christians all over the world. So from there, they have made an application sort of thing, and they are waiting for the approval for their marriage from the Bishop of Rome. So this is the character of Sean Keogh. Then we have some minor characters. So these are the major characters in the play. Then we have the character of Widow Queen, who is the neighbor of this Flaherty family. She is 30 years old and she is a very dangerous woman. Then we have two farmer friends of Michael James Flaherty, that is Philly Cullen and Jimmy Farrell. And there are some village girls who are just mad after Christy Mahon when they come to know that he is the man who has killed his father, and they think that he is a hero and he is a very brave man. He is an extraordinary man. So the names of these girls are Sarah Tansey, Susan Brady, Honor Blake, and Nellie. So here we have this Sarah Tansey, Susan Brady, Honor Blake, and Nellie, these village girls. Then we have the character of a bellman and other characters like peasants and farmers. So these are the major and minor characters of the play, the playboy of the Western world. So of course the playboy, the character of the playboy is this Christy Mahon. So who is the playboy? Christy Mahon, the titular character, the protagonist, the character mentioned in the title itself, that is the playboy of the Western world. And Western world is the western part of Ireland, right? So in the next video we will see the story, themes, and as well as the plot of this play, the playboy of the Western world, by one major Irish writer, J.M. Singh, who is considered as the most important figure in the literary movement of Ireland, known as the Irish Literary Renaissance or Celtic Revival, which is a part of the broader movement of Irish nationalism. Thank you.